A growing Listeria outbreak, a deadly threat to pasta lovers. A recent outbreak of Listeria monocytogenes, a potentially deadly foodborne illness, has been linked to pre-made pasta meals sold at major grocery chains across the United States. As of late October, 6 people have tragically lost their lives, and 27 others have been hospitalized, with all but 2 cases confirmed as Listeria-related. This outbreak has affected individuals in 18 states, including California, Florida, and Washington, with cases also reported in Hawaii, Illinois, and several other states. The outbreak began in June when Listeria concerns prompted the recall of several brands of ready-to-eat chicken fettuccine Alfredo meals, made by Fresh Realm Inc. and sold under the Home Chef brand at Kroger and the Market Slide brand at Walmart. Further genetic testing confirmed that the Listeria strain detected in Fresh Realm's previously recalled chicken Alfredo meal was the same one causing the outbreak. This led to the recall of 2 more products with specific use-by dates in late September and early October: Market Side linguine with beef meatballs marinara sauce and Trader Joe's Cajun-style blackened chicken breast fettuccine Alfredo. The common pasta supplier, Nate's Fine Foods, expanded its recall to include other batches of pre-cooked pasta, including fettuccine, linguine, and farfalle, bowtie, after a sample of linguine pasta tested positive for Listeria monocytogenes. In early October, additional recalls were announced for pre-made pasta salads and heat-and-eat noodle dishes sold at various retailers, including Trader Joe's, Albertsons, Kroger, Walmart, Giant Eagle, and Sprouts. Nate's Fine Foods issued a statement in late September, recalling the products out of an abundance of caution and apologizing for any concern caused. They emphasized their top priority of ensuring the safety of their customers and their commitment to working closely with health authorities to identify the source of the outbreak. The FDA is collaborating with Nate's to determine if further recalls are necessary, and health officials advise customers to dispose of any affected meals and clean their refrigerators and surfaces that may have come into contact with the food. Listeria infection, or listeriosis, is particularly dangerous for pregnant individuals, newborns, adults over 65, and those with weakened immune systems. Pregnant women may experience mild symptoms like fever and fatigue, but should be aware of the potential risks, including miscarriages and life-threatening infections in newborns. Symptoms typically appear within 2 weeks of consuming contaminated food, but can occur as soon as the same day or up to 10 weeks later. The CDC and FDA urge consumers to report any symptoms of listeriosis to their healthcare providers and to the FDA online. The US has experienced several Listeria outbreaks in the past year, with a notable 2024 outbreak linked to deli meat that resulted in 10 deaths and dozens of hospitalizations. The USDA attributed the outbreak to inadequate sanitation practices at a Boar's Head facility in Virginia, highlighting the ongoing efforts to protect public health from this harmful bacteria.